Hello, guys, it's Ada with you today. You're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an effective DIY anti-aging face toner. Guys, if you want to know how I came up with this effective toner, continue watching as I share with you. The first ingredient we need is egg. So egg is packed with anti-aging properties. What we're going to be taking is the egg white, give it a good mix. Next ingredient we have is orange. You can as well use lemon. Cut the orange. What we need is the orange juice. Take 1 tablespoon of orange juice, add it to the egg white, and give it a very good mix. Very good mix. Make sure it blends very well. Next ingredient is honey. Take 1 tablespoon honey and add to the egg whites and orange juice mixture and give it a very good mix. Get a clean, dry spray bottle or container, then you pour in the toner. You can refrigerate for up to 3 days. Okay, you can put this in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. So this is an effective DIY anti-aging face toner. Make sure you exfoliate or make sure your skin is very clean. You can apply this in any area of your body that is prone to aging, like your hands, your neck, and your face. Okay, you can use this on your hands, your neck, your face, because these are the areas that are prone to aging on time, and you can start using this from age 25 and above. Okay, if you're going out, apply this. You can use a cotton wool or you can use a spray bottle, like I'm spraying it on my hand. Okay, apply it 1 hour before you go out. But if you are at home, okay, just apply it and leave it and at night apply it and leave it until morning the next day. Okay, so this is an effective anti-aging face toner that will help you, get rid of premature aging. So guys, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.